If you want to get push notifications whenever someone sends you a direct message on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn it on in just a few taps. This is really useful if you do not want to miss important messages, especially if you use X for networking, customer support, or staying in touch with your audience. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you are logged into your account. On the left side navigation bar, click More. This opens the full menu with all of your account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, look for Notifications and click it. This section controls how X alerts you about activity on your account. Next, click Preferences. That is where you can customize the types of alerts you receive. Now select Push Notifications. This menu controls which alerts are sent directly to your phone. Once you are in Push Notification settings, find Direct Messages and toggle it on. As soon as you enable that switch, your device will start sending push notifications whenever someone DMs you on X. That means you can respond faster and stay updated in real time without constantly checking your inbox. And that's it, you've successfully turned on push notifications for direct messages on X. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.